किसी भी देश की तरक्की में एक बड़ा हाथ होता है टेक्नोलॉजी का। भारत की प्रगति में भी इसी सेक्टर का योगदान है।
You know, it's not just in India that times have changed. As a young researcher, when I went to Germany, I was the only woman there in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So it looked as if there were more women here in India even 40 years ago than there were in Germany. So I don't think we have to be ashamed of anything. Indian women have always done well. And I'm proud that they're doing even better now.
यही वजह है कि मैनेजमेंट, कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस जैसे फील्ड के साथ साथ लड़कियां इंजीनियरिंग जैसी टेक्निकल एजुकेशन को ऑप्ट कर देश की प्रगति में एक बड़ा योगदान दे रही हैं।
इंजीनियरिंग इन्वॉल्व्स एनालिटिकल प्रोसेसिंग, मतलब, और आई फील अगर किसी के पास भी एनालिटिकल प्रोसेस करने का ब्रेन होता है, अगर किसी को में भी वो स्किल्स होते हैं, तो उसको इंजीनियरिंग लेनी चाहिए। स्पेशली गर्ल्स, दे आर बेटर एट इंजीनियरिंग, एनालिटिकल, सॉल्विंग एनालिटिकल प्रॉब्लम्स। उनको वो थिंकिंग कैपेबिलिटी होती है उनमें। दे आर एबल टू एनालाइज द प्रॉब्लम, फाइंड आउट द एग्जैक्ट प्रॉब्लम्स। They're better in doing it in a quicker way.
Basis as engineering is civil, mechanical and electrical. It is in a nature, it's a requirement is there, even though it has not developed civil and mechanical like computers and other things. The scope is there.
Engineering is a very vast field, and this gives us a stepping stone for many different things which we can do in future. This gives us an overall view on all the subjects. Then later we can decide which is our field of interest, and later do masters in that. So I feel this is the best field which a person can choose.
Engineering basically teaches the fundamentals which improves the quality of life as far as the people are concerned, keeping in mind the environmental impact. The engineering job is a challenging job because an engineer has to keep in mind the surroundings, what he is going to use, the materials he is going to use, the products he is going to develop, which without affecting the nature. He has to provide the amenities that is demanded by the people in the society. So it is a very challenging job. The engineering field is the most opted branch by the professionals.
शिक्षा के स्तर में आई नए एडवांसमेंट्स और वर्ल्ड क्लास टीचिंग फैसिलिटीज के साथ इन्हें ग्रूम किया जा रहा है इंडस्ट्री नीड्स के मुताबिक, जिसके तहत इन्हें दी जाती है पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट और कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर की स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग।
सेमेस्टर ट्रेनिंग, और ये ट्रेनिंग में दे हैड सो मेनी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज वेयर दे वर ग्रूमिंग अस इन मैटर ऑफ not only speaking in front of people but even aptitude and soft skills, and it's helped a lot. People who were even shy initially have come up so well that they are speaking fluently in front of anyone.
We do give aptitude training in terms of soft skill development and personality development, everything related to the placements.
जो भी स्टूडेंट्स को रिसर्च के डायरेक्शन में जाने की इच्छा होती है, इट्स एन एक्सेलेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी for them to really expose to something which is new that is happening in the areas in which that they are working. So in this conference we are covering generally the electrical, electronics and computer science related most of the fundamental areas, and we are trying to make sure that we bring in not only the researchers who are working on typically on those specific areas, plus we are also trying to bring in the keynote sessions from the prominent industry and the academia people across the world.
इंस्टीट्यूट्स आज जोर दे रहे हैं कि लड़कियां न सिर्फ जॉब सीकर्स बने बल्कि बने एंटरप्रेन्योर भी। यही वजह है कि स्टडीज के दौरान इन्हें कॉर्पोरेट विजिट और इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर भी दिया जाता है। शिक्षाविदों का भी मानना है कि लड़कियों में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के कई गुण स्वाभाविक रूप से मौजूद होते हैं।
आफ्टर इंजीनियरिंग, इफ दे डू MBA, they are most suited for the government jobs. Many of the IAS, IPS, IFS officers, because they have the engineering background, the management skills, they would have faced the competitive exam, they become very good administrators.
The field is growing very, very fast. Now the trend is completely changed. So people come and ask for a specific company. We need only telecommunication and not electronics. The trend is totally changed. And the telecommunication industry is just growing and it has no limits.
बेहतर शिक्षा ने एक ओर जहां ट्रेन प्रोफेशनल्स की कमी को पूरा किया है, वहीं दूसरी ओर काबिलियत और हौसला रखने वाली इन लड़कियों को भी दिए हैं नए अवसर, जो आखिरकार देश को दे रही हैं लगातार